Struggling to find a top-notch builder in Basingstoke? Well, worry no more. This guide will introduce you to the top 5 builders in the area, known for their outstanding craftsmanship and dedication to quality. First on the list is Basingstoke Building Company. With a remarkable track record of quality construction, they've built an enviable reputation for delivering projects on time and within budget. Their expertise ranges from home renovations to commercial building projects, making them a versatile choice for any construction need. Second, we have Trusted Builders Basingstoke. Their name says it all. They've earned the trust of their clients by consistently delivering high-quality work, paying close attention to detail, and providing excellent customer service. Our third pick is Custom Homes Basingstoke. As the name suggests, they specialize in custom home construction, tailoring each project to the unique needs and design preferences of their clients. Their innovative designs and high-quality finishes set them apart in the industry. Next, we have Renovation Experts Basingstoke. If you're planning a home renovation or extension, this is the builder to call. They're experts in transforming existing spaces into beautiful, functional environments that enhance the value and livability of your home. Last but not least, Commercial Constructors Basingstoke rounds off our top 5. They are known for their expertise in managing large-scale commercial building projects, ensuring that every detail is executed to perfection. So, why is local experience important when selecting a builder in Basingstoke? Well, builders with local experience are familiar with the area's specific design trends, building permits, and local regulations. This ensures your project will be compliant, stylish, and well constructed. When you're ready to make a choice, reach out to these builders for quotes. Consider their range of services, project management capabilities, and how well they understand your vision. Remember, the best builder for you is the one that can deliver your dream project while providing a smooth and stress-free construction experience. In conclusion, finding the right builder in Basingstoke doesn't have to be a daunting task. With this guide, you now have a list of the top 5 builders in the area. All that's left to do is choose the one that best fits your project's needs, and you're on your way to seeing your construction dreams become a reality.